Here you go. Okay. What do you think? Here's your animals. Oh, they like to be petted gently, huh? Let's see. Oh, there's puppies. Woof woof. Woof woof. There's kitties. What do they say? Meow. Good job. Meow. Good job. What about chickies? They say peep peep. Peep peep. What about the duckies? Quack quack. Good job. What about the sheep? They say ma ma. What about the goat? It says ma ma ma. Good job. You gotta turn it this way. This way. What does a horse say? Neigh. What about a cow? It says moo. Moo. Good job. Oh, there's the birdies. What do they say? Tweet tweet. Tweet tweet tweet. They say tweet tweet tweet. Okay. What about the owl? It says hoo. Hoo. What about the piggies? They say oink oink oink. No, they say oink oink. Kiki say oink oink oink. Good job. What about the bunnies? They say munch munch munch. Munch munch munch. Do they say munch munch? No, no, no. Hey, there's a book. Look at, what did the goose babies say? Honk honk. What about the monkeys? They say ooh 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 ooh. What about the mice? They say squeak squeak squeak. Squeak squeak squeak. About the elephant, it says ee. Is that all? Oh, there's all the animals.